Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create custom location on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and you simply need to select any post and then you need to select and click on next again, and here you can see the option add location. So here you can add any location whatever you want. So let me select a random location. So here you can see that, and then you need to click on the tick mark and the custom location will be added to your post. So this is a simple process by which you can create or you can add custom location. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.